What's up, my affiliates? It's CJ here. I just want to have a quick conversation with y'all. I want to tell y'all, first of all, thank you for the subscribers that have joined and been giving me support and dropping and leaving comments on my videos. I appreciate it very much. You know, this is a new channel. I'm a new blogger, so this is something new for me. So I'm just learning and finding myself, and I want to help y'all learn and find yourselves as well. I want to grow together with y'all. So I want to stay engaged with y'all. I want y'all to, tell me content to post, tell me stuff to research, tell me problems that y'all are having. I'm gonna set up a Facebook chat group where you can contact me personally and we can just talk and network together. I'm looking to take people's ideas and help them build together, and we can do this together because I know it's frustrating for affiliates just beginning, or people that don't know how to drive free traffic or how to even generate leads at all. I know it's frustrating watching your affiliate count or your CPA offer that you're promoting, watching clicks hit but no conversions. I mean, it's a lot of factors that you have to put in it, and I want to work with y'all. I want to grow with y'all because that's what matters. Most of these people, they just get a big head sometimes and they try to use what they have against people. You know what I'm saying? Yes, people's time is valuable. My time is valuable as well. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to giving the value and helping, paying it forward. You have to pay it forward to the next person, to your next brother or sister, in order for you to receive your blessings in return. You know what I'm saying? You have to give back. So I want to give back to y'all by helping y'all any way I can. I want to talk to y'all. So this is motivation for my affiliates, because I know it gets hard, y'all. I know it gets hard. So let me just say this to you. Keep it going. Keep trying. Keep testing. Keep watching videos. Keep learning. Keep teaching yourself. Research over and over and over and over again. Test over and over and over again. If you're getting a lot of clicks to your landing pages and you're not seeing any leads or any email submits, then obviously that tells you one thing right there, because you've already put them to the first step, because you've simply already gained that click. Now the next thing is the interest of your landing page. You have to be able to have a capturing landing page to be able to tell these people, okay, do this next step. And then the next landing page takes them to the next landing step, and so on and so forth. But like I said, guys, stay motivated, stay ready, stay studying, and keep a positive mind. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs, super free traffic methods. This is motivation for my affiliates. I'm out, y'all.